With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. In this question, we have to evaluate the following limits. Number 1, limit x tends to pi by 2 tan squared x under root 2 sin squared x plus 3 sin x plus 4 minus under root sin squared x plus sin x 6 sin x plus 2. Number 2 is limit theta tends to 0 root under 1 plus sin theta minus 1 by ln 1 plus tan 2 theta. Number 3 is ln limit x tends to 0 root under 1 plus x minus cube root of 1 plus x by x. And number 4 the limit theta tends to 0 at by 8 by 5 to the power 8 1 minus cos phi square by 2 minus cos phi square by 8 plus cos phi square by 2 into cos square by 2 by 4. Now we are going to solve one by one. What we are given in number 1. We have to find limit x tends to pi by 2 tan squared x under root 2 sin squared x plus 3 sin x plus 4 minus under root sin squared x plus 6 sin x plus 2. On rationalizing, we can write under root 2 sin squared x plus 3 sin x plus 4 minus sin squared x plus 6 sin x plus 2. We are rationalizing it by under root 2 sin squared x plus 3 sin x plus 4 plus sin squared x plus 6 sin x plus 2 and multiplying it in the numerator as well. 2 sin squared x plus 3 sin x plus 4 plus root under sin squared x plus 6 sin x plus 2. On solving, in the numerator we get x squared minus a squared, so we can write it as 2 sin squared x plus 3 sin x plus 4 minus sin squared x plus 6 sin x plus 2, a squared minus b squared formula. And in the denominator we get the root part, 2 sin squared x plus 3 sin x plus 4 plus root under sin squared x plus 6 sin x plus 6 sin x plus 2. Now we have to find the limit. Limit x tends to pi by 2 tan squared x sin squared x minus 3 sin x plus 2 upon what we get from above solving. We get 2 sin squared x plus 3x plus 4 and also root under sin squared x plus 6 sin x plus 2. Now we can see that it is not the undetermined form, so we are going to put the value simply. We are going to put the value pi by 2 here, so the limit will be tan squared pi by 2 into sin squared pi by 2. Sin pi by 2 is 1, so sin squared pi by 2 will be also 1 minus 3 plus 2 by some constant k, since above value is 0, therefore 0 by some constant k will also be 0. Therefore we get the limit as tan squared pi by 2 into 0 is equal to tan squared 0 is equal to 0. Therefore the first limit is 0. Now we are going to move to the second limit. What we have in the second limit? We have to find limit of root under 1 plus sin 3 theta minus 1. Okay. In the second limit, we have to find limit root under 1 plus sin 3 theta minus 1 upon ln 1 plus tan 2 theta, where theta tends to 0. Now it is from putting directly the value, we find that it is of the form 0 by 0. Therefore we can apply L'Hospital's rule, that is differentiating it directly in numerator as well as different denominator. So we can write the above limit also as limit theta tends to 0, and by differentiating it we get 1 upon 2 root 1 plus sine 3 theta by 1 upon into cos 3 theta into 3, and in the denominator 1 upon tan 2 theta into sec square 2 theta into 2. Now putting the value 0, putting the value 0 in the limit, what we get? We get 1 by 2 into 1, cos 0 will be 1 into 3 by 1 by tan 0 will be, sorry, we get on differentiating we get 1 by 1 plus tan 2 theta, sorry, 1 upon 1 plus tan 2 theta, therefore 1 by 1 plus tan 1 by 1 into 1 into 2, therefore we get 3 by 2 divided by 2 plus 3 by 4. Therefore this is the answer of our second limit, 3 by 4. Now move on to the third limit. What we are given in the third limit? In the third limit we have to find the limit x tends to 0 root under 1 plus x minus cube root of 1 plus x upon x. So here also we can apply the L'Hospital's rule. We are going to apply L'Hospital's rule. Since we are seeing that it is of the form 0 by 0, so we can apply L'Hospital's rule. On applying L'Hospital's rule and differentiating, what we get? We can write the limit as limit x tends to 0 1 upon 2 root 1 plus x minus 1 by 3 1 plus x to the power minus 2 by 3 from basic differentiation upon 1 the differentiation x. Now putting the value 0 simply, since it is not the undetermined form, now putting the value 0 we get 1 upon 2 minus 1 upon 3. This implies 1 by 6. Therefore the value of third limit will be 1 by 6. Now moving on to the fourth limit. What we are given in the fourth limit? Limit 5 tends to 0, 8 by 5 to the power 8. So we are going to write what's given. In the fourth limit we have to find limit 5 tends to 0, 8 by 5 to the power 8, 1 minus cos 5 squared by 2 minus cos 5 to the power cos 5 squared by 4 plus cos 5 squared by 2 into cos 5 squared by 4. So simply here in this question we are going to put the value 0. On putting the value 0 we get 8 upon 0 to the power 8, 1 minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4, since cos 0 is equal to 1, plus 1 by 2 into 1 by 4. On solving the numerator we get 8 in the denominator 8 minus 4 minus 2 plus 1, so we get 9 minus 6, 3 by 8 by 0 to the power 8 is equal to 3 upon 0 is equal to infinity. Therefore the limit of the fourth limit is infinity. Hence solved. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.